tired, but I'm really very, very happy.
Does it make you feel nervous that you've been getting most of the special awards and you might not win?
Actually, it's okay. Kasi, you know, the last time I joined a beauty contest was 10 years ago. And this is an experience again. And so saya to, oh my gosh. I get to be beautiful ulit.
Did you win 10 years ago?
Yeah.
Perfect. But that was not your final question.
Your question.
Mag-usap na tayo.
I'm afraid of you, you know that.
Meron ako isang trivial question. No? Ito yung isang question na gusto ko rin itanong sa lahat ng kandidata sa Miss Universe. What do you feel that amongst all the candidates, you are the last to be asked and you know they have given their answers and you are being asked of the same question?
You know, sa beauty contest, ang question and answer, wala naman eksaktong sagot dyan. All they need is the opinion ng candidates.
Yeah.
Hindi naman sila magtatanong 1 plus 1 o may sagot na 2. Ano lang opinion mo sa itinanong sa'yo, yun lang. Walang tama at walang mali sagot.
That was not your final question.
Alright. Excuse me. The question. Kung ikaw ay meron...
Mag-usap na.
Kung ikaw ay... Okay? Kung ikaw ay meron isang katanging-tanging katanungan para kay Mr. Alan Kay, anong katanungan ito at bakit?
Can you give me a minute to think?
Take all the time in the world.
Mr. Alan Kay, Inay, meron pa kayang taong katulad mo? Siyempre, ikaw ang aming ina ngayon. Paano sa mga darating na henerasyon? Meron pa kayang isang inang katulad mo na ibibigay ang ganitong karangyaan at ganitong kasarap na buhay, maramdaman mo paano maging artista? Sana magkaroon pa ng isang katulad. Yun ang gusto ko itanong. Magkakaroon pa kayo ng isang Alan Kay in the future para magbigay buhay sa mga pangarap ng mga bading na gustong maramdaman ang kaginawaan at kung paano maging star.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, your Alien Star, Miss Silver Girl, our 5th finalist.
Oh my God, sweet. If you were to ask Mr. Alan Kay a question, ang yan at bakit?
Ako na naman inuna mo.
Huwag sumuko na ako.
Okay.